Welcome everyone to the Stark Soil and Water YouTube channel. My name is Adrienne Bach and I'm the outreach technician for the district. Welcome to our green cleaning video series. This is the first video in our series. We have two other instructional videos as well as this one. This video covers how to make your own dry carpet shampoo. The other two videos will cover how to make all-purpose cleaner as well as a window cleaner. And then we also have a video that covers the many advantages and benefits of green cleaning and why it's a good practice to adopt at home. So the recipe for this dry carpet shampoo is courtesy of West Virginia University Extension Service. They have a great handout that talks about green cleaning and it has some great recipes in it as well. It will be linked in the description of the video. So in order to make this recipe, you need 2 cups of baking soda, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and then a few drops of essential oil. You can use whatever essential oil you prefer, or as the original recipe suggests, you can use powdered cloves or you can use crushed up bay leaves. But just pick a scent that smells the best to you. So, step 1 for creating your own green cleaning recipes, always wear gloves to keep your hands free from any contaminants. And you want to make sure that you have a designated bowl and a designated spoon to mix up your green cleaning recipes. That way you're not cross-contaminating your food prep utensils. And another important step is to have designated containers with labels. So I've labeled the lid, dry carpet shampoo, as well as the container, also the date of creation, so December 2022. You want to make sure that you have the ingredients on there as well. So this way you know exactly what's in the container, exactly when it was made, so you know how long it will be good for. And then you'll know exactly which ingredients are found in your green cleaning product. So, this is a simple recipe. You'll just take your 2 cups of baking soda, your 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and then a few drops of your essential oil. So I use 3 drops. And you just want to mix until it's well blended. So it's now all homogeneous in one color. So we'll just open up our storage container, tip it inside. And now it's ready to use. So step 1 for use, you always want to test your dry carpet shampoo or any cleaning solution on a small area of the surface that you're going to clean before you spread it on the entire area, just to make sure that it's not going to impact any dyes or cause stains or anything. So test it on a small area first, make sure it's okay. Once you know it's okay to use, spread it on whatever area it is that you would like to clean. You can let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. And then after you let it sit, you just vacuum it up. And this will help keep your carpets fresh. It will help your home smell nice. And it's a great and economical way to practice green cleaning in your home. So thank you for joining us today and have a safe and happy 2023.